Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren. If you're new here, I did not plan on filming today, but I just got home from work. It's Monday. I am like full-fledged on it with the walking, the working out, hitting protein. I really have been off the wagon since the wedding, and it's starting to show in the way my clothes are fitting, in the way that I feel about myself, and I'm just like, you know, angry at myself that I like was a really good size and comfortable, and I was in the gym and I had such a good routine going, and then I got back from the wedding and just like it kind of went out the window. I did have a really good like February and part of March, but then since then it's just been again off the freaking wagon, I feel like, and it's definitely affecting me. So we got to get it in gear. So these are my like non-negotiables right now, is walking twice a day for 45 minutes, or at least doing an hour and a half total, whether it end up being 3 30-minute segments, whatever. But what's been really working for me at the office is 45 minutes in the morning, 45 minutes after lunch, and I just walk on my walking pad at about 2 speed. So it's a full hour and a half. I don't wear a step tracker. I have no idea how many steps that is. But that's what I'm doing, just trying to get more movement in instead of sitting at my desk all day. And I don't really have a good place we can walk. We have like a small building, and then near the building it's very like industrial, so it's not a super safe place to go on a walk. There's like so many trucks and things happening, it just wouldn't really work. So walking pad has come in handy. Getting those 2 walks in, super important. Going back to tracking, which I've been so enjoying not tracking, but I do think at least for a little bit just to kind of get my bearings again. With about 1,800 calories, because I have not been counting anything for months. 1,800 calories, minimum 130 grams of protein, but honestly more if I can get it in. Working out Monday through Thursday, so I did my first workout back at the gym. This workout outfit has been sitting in my car for months, and I swear it is tighter, way tighter than I remember, which was quite the wake-up call. Like I was like, oh, this shirt is like tight. Tight. That's all it is, tight. So anyways, I have kind of a random grocery haul, and I'm probably gonna have to go back to the grocery store on Wednesday. This was kind of just like get what we need tonight. Morgan's headed out of town soon, so just wanted to get a couple things. I think I'm gonna make some egg cups for us, just some like good, easy go-to high protein breakfast. And then tonight we're trying a TikTok recipe. It's the ground chicken crust pizza, so I think that's gonna be really good. And yeah, I just thought I would show you what I got. So in no particular order, I ended up picking up this Pantene Volume shampoo. This has been on my list because I keep seeing it on TikTok. I don't need shampoo currently, but it was on coupon, so it was like $5. I think it's usually like $6.50, so it had the $1.50 coupon, but I did pick that up since it was on sale. I also picked up another bottle of prenatals. I'm actually switching the brand. I was using the like one a day or something, but this time I picked up the Nature Made prenatal. It has folic acid and DHA. I'm not currently pregnant. We're not technically trying yet, but I am, you know, we're getting prepared. So there's that. I got 4 of my favorite little yogurt drinks. I find that these rarely, if ever, go to waste, whereas when I was buying the yogurts, those kind of go to waste a lot. So I like these so much better. Chobani, 0 added sugar little drinks, 20 grams of protein. I love the mixed berry and the strawberries and cream. These are my 2 favorites. So I got 2 of each, and I already had one today because I had one left in the fridge. So I'll have one for every day of the week while I'm at work. For our little pizza tonight, I had to get some ingredients. So I got 2 pounds of ground chicken. I got some Applegate turkey pepperoni, some low moisture mozzarella. We have fresh Parmesan in the fridge, which we need for the crust. We also will be using some eggs, so I just restocked our pasture raised. They didn't have the organic ones, but that's fine. I also got some spinach, 2 things of my favorite. This is just the store brand, house brand milk. It's unsweetened vanilla, almond milk. I use that in my coffee with the protein powder I've been using, with some espresso or instant espresso or whatever. The salted caramel, 1UP Nutrition, Sydney Adams one. It's so good. I do half a scoop of that with about a cup of milk and then my coffee. Really, really good. I also got some sauce. We've been really liking this Carbone brand, or I have been liking it. I think Morgan likes it too. So I just got that marinara for tonight's dinner. I got some sparkling water. Where's my other one? Oh, duh, right here. 2 cases of sparkling water. This is just unsweet. I got a lemon one. I also got an orange one. And then I restocked the Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch, which I will be having with my pizza because I'm a pizza and ranch girl. Let me know if you're team ranch. I definitely am. Ranch on pizza specifically. But that is everything we got. Kind of, again, random odds and ends, if you will. And I will probably go back, but I'm thinking later in the week I want to get maybe some of those Amy Lou meatballs and do like a spaghetti squash night, and then maybe like a Mediterranean bowl, like also with the meatballs. Just like 2 different ideas. I don't know, just thought. But I'm going to put this stuff away, probably go ahead and get the egg cups ready, and then we'll cook dinner right after that. So I have been, in fact, standing here just eating cottage cheese out of the tub. There's probably only like a half cup left when I opened it, like there wasn't very much, so I'm just adding that to the macros, but it added me 14 grams of protein. I would love like plain cottage cheese. So good. So here, I'm just heating up. We don't have a lot. We don't have enough of the same sausage, but I had a few of these turkey sausage links, and then I had a couple of these Jimmy Dean turkey sausage patties. So I'm just microwaving those enough to where I can cut them. I think we're good. So I can put these in the egg cups as the protein. I'm about to wash some of this spinach, probably gonna do like half the bag, so I can chop that up. I think I'm gonna do some spinach on my pizza too tonight. And then what else are we adding? Eggs, oh, and some jalapenos. And I think I might do a little cheese on Morgan's. Might do like cheese on 6 of them. I don't really care for cheese in the mornings. I feel like it hurts my stomach sometimes, so I usually skip it, but I will do cheese on his. So we're just using my handy dandy silicone pan. You don't even have to spray it. This thing's amazing. I got mine at Walmart. They have them everywhere. Amazon, you name it. But I'm gonna wash this, cut it up really quick, and then I'm just gonna do 1 egg per cup. Also, it's really good if you wanna blend it with cottage cheese, but since I ate all my cottage cheese, we don't have enough to do that. All right, we just put the pizza crust in and we took the eggs out. Morgan said no cheese for him either, so we are ready to rock. I like these to cool all the way to room temperature before I'll put them away, just so there's no like, what do you call that? Like sweat?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
I
the
think
water.
bacteria can form if you
like,
put stuff in the
yeah, like the steam. So there we go.
I'm good to go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're rolling. And then we'll save the cheese for the top. So we'll do the dry Parmesan in the crust. So when you get the scale out to measure the cheese or just?
Yeah.
Probably good.
Just a pinch.
Yeah.
Like that.
Mm-hmm. That looks perfect. Do some garlic. Yeah, or I think we might just have like basil and oregano, or at least oregano.
Yeah. We should be able to lay that pretty flat in there.
All right, y'all, pizza crust, chicken crust out of the oven. We had to put ours in extra 5 minutes just to try to get some golden bits going, but it's looking good now. Oops, so we're going
We did it with the paper on for 25, and then we just slid it off and did it without for like 5. And it kind of got a little crispier on the edges.
It did. So now we're gonna add sauce, cheese, spinach, and pepperoni. Is that too close for the peps?
It's good.
Okay, back in
Yep.
for 5 minutes, I think. Beauty. Looks good.
Mm-hmm. It does. I think it's gonna be way more filling than crust.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not worried about how much.
I think I'm
we
just
made.
so hungry that I'm like,
I mean, if you want to put this whole thing down, you go right ahead, Chief.
I kind of want to do a middle.
Okay.
Go crazy. Ooh, he's hot. Okay, y'all, we finished our chicken pizza and it was really good.
It's very good.
It tastes like chicken, like Parmesan kind of.
It's like a long piece of chicken parm. That's
a
not
long piece.
It's like when it's on like the tray or whatever. But it cuts easy and it holds easy. Like it's not floppy. So
we just ate it like pizza. I was thinking it was gonna be like a fork and knife. Didn't even need it. Just ate it with our hands.
yeah, it was good.
It was very good.
We'll be making that. I feel like a lot.
I want to do like a buffalo version for sure.
Oh yeah, we saw one of those. That you use red sauce and
buffalo, which is
Yeah.
interesting. I can get down with that though.
yeah,
And then you don't even need chicken because the crust is chicken.
yeah. It doesn't taste like bread. I don't know why I thought that it would. It doesn't. It tastes like chicken, but it's good.
Chicken. Yeah.
And it does what you want it to do.
It's very good. We actually made another good chicken dish the other day. Morgan made, he like pounded out some chicken breast and then baked it, like season it, bake it. Once it's pretty much done, what did you ladle? Sauce?
It was like a red sauce, cottage cheese, Parmesan.
Parmesan on top, and then we baked it and like broiled it.
Yeah.
It was so good. It was like chicken lasagna. And he's not huge on cottage cheese, but it tastes like ricotta, right?
I'm kind of coming around to it,
Yeah.
yeah.
It
I'm
just
not big
tastes
on
like-
cottage cheese, but it was good.
Yeah. It was just like creamy chicken parm.
Yeah, it added what it needed for sure.
We didn't even do noodles. We literally just ate that by itself. It was really good. So that's the review. Thanks for coming to our channel. And we'll see y'all in the next
It's
one.
our channel.
Well, it's mine, but it's ours because we're married.
We'll have to change the name of the channel.
To what? Lauren and Morgan?
Yeah.
The Hazes.
Yeah.
Hayses. Hazes.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming. See you in the next one. Bye.